quick bar workout using a chair. I'm just in my lounge room at home, so ideally maybe just put your chair up against something that's not moving. I'm going to turn my chair around halfway through to face the other side so that you can still see me, but just for safety maybe put it up against a wall or something, or I've got mine up against the couch. We're going to start, we're going to go into a small conservative V with the feet, and you're going to turn your feet out not too much so that your knees are going to track over your first and second toes. It's not a wide turnout like ballet. We're going to start, we're going to roll through the feet. We're just going to do 8 reps of everything. So we're going to start, here we go. We're going to bend, lift, rise and lower. Inhale down, exhale up. 6 to go. And 5, lift, rise and lower. And 4, if you say it to yourself, bend, lift, rise, lower, you'll get the motion of it. Last one. Good. From here, we're just going to squeeze those heels, shoulders over hips, nice neutral pelvis, little pulses. Knees are still going over your first and second toes. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to slide down the wall, down, crack, squeeze and come back up. Arm goes out, come back up. Just a light touch with those fingertips on your chair. 4 more here. She'll be feeling inner and outer thighs and your bum. This is why ballerinas have a great bum. 2 more. Last one. Let's do a triple pulse here. We've got 8, 3, 2, 1 and squeeze, and 3, 2 and 1 and 7, 3, 2, 1 and 6, 3, 2, 1 and 5, 3, 2. I hope you're feeling it because I am. 4. It's very effective bar workouts. 3, 2, 1 and lengthen. 1 more. Good work. Here we go. Step out. We're going to do, this is like a second position in ballet. Try and keep your shoulders over your hips. We're going to roll through the feet. Bend, lift, rise, lower. Bend, lift, rise, lower. 6 to go. Keep drawing those abdominals in. And 5. And 4. And 3, and 2, and last one. Hold it here, little pulses for 8, 7, arm comes out, get down nice and low. Good, now we're going to go 3, 2, 1, and lengthen. 3, 2, 1, and lengthen. 6 to go. My legs are shaking, are yours? Keep breathing. 4 more. And 3, 2. Last one. Good work. Shake it out. Now we're going to go to, our elbow is going to lift and rise off. This is your side obliques. So your arm's going to come over, your elbow is going to meet to your knee. I'm kind of slightly forward with my elbow and my knee, and then reach. And 7, side crunch, and reach, and 5, and 4. This is giving you that nice hourglass waist. And 4, we just have to do it more than once though, ladies. 3, 2, last one. Good. From here, we're just going to pulse. Good, now we're going to tap either our knees or the floor for 8, 7, send the hips behind you, 6, 5, I'm getting the heart rate up now, 3, 2, last set. Coming up, your elbow is going to go down onto the bar, turn this foot inwards. We're going to open up through the hips. Little pulses here, take the leg back a little bit so you feel it in your glute med. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, face your chair. You're going to take your hands to your forehead, fold over, draw those abdominals up, go to a small V. Now ideally, you want to have your hips over your knees. Take one leg behind you. You're going to lift and tap. And 7. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 3. 2. Let's stay up there. Pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go to a parallel. Now we're going to go to a hip extension. Same thing. We're going to fold over. Hopefully your chair's a little bit more comfortable than mine. And then bend your supporting leg. Bend this leg, and we're going to go into hip extension. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, feel your supporting leg. 2, keep that supporting leg bent. Little pulses. Good, bring it down. We're going to lift it to the side like a dog at a tree. 5 hydrants. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up there, let's pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Let's go into a figure 4 stretch. Whew, I am sweating. Feel the stretch through there, or you can actually just sit on your chair and have a bit of a fold forward and feel the stretch through the side of your hips. Oh, catch your breath. Coming back up, now we're going to do all of that on the other side. Turn around. I'm moving my chair. You guys don't need to move your chair. You're going to roll through the feet, shoulders over hips. Here we go. Bend, lift, rise, lower. Inhale. And 6. And 5. It's really hot here in Cairns. And 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Hold it here, small V. Shoulders over hips, still got that neutral pelvis, little pulses. Knees are tracking over first and second toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to slide down the wall, squeeze the heels as you zip it up. Arm comes out. 7. And 6. Inhale. Exhale. And 4. And 3. Feel those muscles, ladies. This is lifting your booty. 2 more. Last one. Triple pulse. 3, 2, 1, and zip it up. 7. And 6. And 5. Good work. And 4, keep it going. I know your legs are shaking. Mine are like jelly too. I haven't done barre in a little while, so I'm feeling it. Good work. Now you're going to go out to second. Same thing. We're going to bend, lift, rise, and lower. Bend, lift, rise, and lower. You're working through the underneath of your feet, working through the ankle joint. Get that stretch on the underneath of your feet. 4 more. 3, 2. Last one. Hold it here, little pulses. Arm comes out. Triple pulse. 3, 2, 1, and up. 3. We're going to add the arm this time. Take it up. 3, 2, 1, and up. 3, 2, 1. Feel your glutes wrapping around. 4 to go. And 3, 2. Last one. Good work. Shake it out. We're going to work your obliques now. These are your side crunches. Exhale, elbow, knee comes towards your knee. And then you're going to reach away. Exhale, crunch. And reach. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Come away. Just pulsing here. You can pray if you want to. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can either go to your knees or to the floor. We've got 8 sets. 8, 7. Send the hips behind you. 5. Belly drawing up. 4. Get that stretch. This is active flexibility. 3, 2. Last set. Coming up. Elbow goes down. Turn that foot. Open up through the hips. We're going to pulse here. 8, 7, 6. Ribs are in. Try not to go into that shoulder. Lift up from underneath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Face your chair. Hands to the forehead. Actually, I'm going to go like this because it's more comfortable on my chair. Small V. Flatten out. Hips over your ankles. Leg comes behind. We're going to lift and tap. And 7. And 6. And 5. And 4. 3, 2. Hold it up there. How are you going? Pulsing for 8. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up for a moment. We're going to bend our supporting leg going into our hip extension. Bend the supporting leg. Your back leg is going to bend. You're going to move from the hip joint. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up there. Let's pulse. Bring it down. Fire hydrants. 8, 7. Feel that supporting side. 6, 5, 4. We're nearly there. 3, 2. Pulse it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Have a bit of a stretch. Let's sit on the chair for your figure 4 stretch. Woo. I am sweating. Put your body forward. How'd you find that? It's a killer, isn't it? Are you glad I just gave you 8 reps of everything to introduce you to barre? Coming up, final exercise. There's a little bit of a back extension. So we're going to start standing a little bit away from your chair. We're going to roll down. Good. nice stretch in your upper thoracic. Look to your belly button as you tuck your tail. And inhale, lengthening out. Draw those abs up, ears in line with your biceps. And exhale, bring it in, one more. And inhale, hold it here. Stick your bums out a little bit so your sit bones widen. And then coming back up. Take your hands to the floor. Draw those abdominals in. Rolling up, one roll down to finish. Breath in. Nod the head, rolling down. Inhale, pause. Exhale. Rolling up, and we are done, ladies. Good work. Excellent. Oh, sweating. We're done.